Hello, my name is Michael Lanasa, and I'm a technical writer with Virsoft Solutions. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Virsoft Hosted Training Platform, which is a virtual training environment solution you can use to reduce your training costs and extend your reach with 24/7 user access to trainings from anywhere with an internet connection. Your students can access trainings 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so they can learn on their schedule, from home, from work, or on the road. With virtual trainings, you no longer need to incur the monetary costs and lost productivity associated with scheduled on-site trainings. Keep you and your attendees focused on the activities that drive your business. Virsoft Solutions enables you to show even advanced scenarios requiring inbound or outbound internet access, or audio support, such as those that include Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft Link. Our platform can even provide support for touch inside applicable Windows 8 VMs for users with a touch-enabled monitor. Now I'll show you how easy it is to use the training platform. Our firewall-friendly solution runs entirely within the web browser and does not require any additional ports be opened, so that you can access the training environment from a hotel or from a company network behind a proxy server. No need to install any standalone software or application in order to connect to the virtual machines. If you can surf the web, you can connect to the labs. Users log in with their own credentials, which a trainer can instantly provision. Your users are presented with a personalized list of available training environments. I'll select one and click Start Lab. The virtual environment will open with different tabs for the different virtual machines. At this point, the Virsoft platform can optimize the virtual machines for the particular client computer by selecting the most appropriate screen resolution and synchronizing the keyboard layout of the virtual machines with the connecting computer. Note that you can provide training manuals specific to the particular environment. The Virsoft platform has several features that optimize the experience for your attendees, and I'd like to demonstrate a couple of them for you now. I can copy information from my personal computer and paste it directly into the virtual machine. In this case, the lab manual calls for me to create an email with specific text in the body of the message. I'll copy that text straight from the lab manual. This can be particularly beneficial when working with code, long file paths, or PowerShell commands. If your end users need to pause the module, they can reconnect later and pick up right where they left off, even after closing the browser. Simply close the Internet Explorer window, then return to the same URL, log in with the same credentials, and select the same lab. Your users can even return to the same instance from a different computer. If the presentation portion of your training runs longer than expected, your users can still complete the lab after hours. With lab return points, users can skip ahead to modules they are particularly interested in, or roll back in case they make a mistake. Here we have an extensive lab broken up into several different modules. I'll open the first one now. Now I'll skip ahead to the next module in the lab. Lab return points can enable more advanced scenarios and can help prevent a misconfiguration from being carried over to subsequent modules. They also conserve resources by only starting the virtual machines necessary for the particular exercises within that module. Additionally, our checkpoint validation feature enables you to verify that your users understand the scenarios they work through by confirming that attendees reach milestone points. You can also add test questions and tasks to validate that attendees have acquired the core competencies required by the training. Okay, I've just demonstrated how easy it is to access and use a full virtual environment hosted by Virsoft Solutions. With Virsoft's hosted training platform, you can reduce your training costs and extend your reach with 24/7 user access to trainings from anywhere with an internet connection. There's no hardware or software to maintain, and no travel or transport costs. So you can improve your bottom line and focus on your business. And we at Virsoft have optimized the virtual environment to provide your users with the best possible training experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful.